Pingus. Are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned.
Episode 3: The Unfortunate Exile. Hey guys, I'm back, your buddy Tara. So far, we saw 4 amazing princes, a magical bow, and a wedding that sparkled like a dream. But today's part, it's a little serious, a little sad, and super important. Ready? Take a deep breath. Let's head back to the royal city of Ayodhya. King Dashrath was getting older and he had a big announcement to make.
My people, tomorrow Prince Ram will be crowned as the king of Ayodhya.
Woohoo! The whole city danced in joy. People cleaned their homes, decorated with flowers, and sang songs. But not everyone was happy. Someone's smile turned into a frown. Queen Kekai, one of the king's wives, was kind and brave. But she was tricked. By whom, you ask? An old sneaky maid named Manthara. Kekai, madam, I know you love Ram just like Bharat. But why should Ram be king? Your son Bharat deserves the crown. You should tell the king to send Ram away. Manthara kept brainwashing Kekai with this thought. At first, Kekai didn't agree. But Manthara's words spun around and around in her head. Until Kekai changed. She remembered a promise the king had once made to grant her 2 wishes. And now she decided to use them. That night, Kekai went to the king with a heavy heart.
My lord, remember several years back you made a promise to me? May I ask for my 2 boons now? Yes, dear. Ask anything,
said King Dashrath.
Then, firstly, make Bharat the king. And secondly, send Ram away to the forest for 14 years,
said Kekai firmly. The king's heart broke like a dry leaf in the wind.
No, not Ram. He is my soul. I cannot bear this, Kekai,
said King Dashrath, crying. But a promise is a promise. The king had no choice.
The next morning, Ram was told everything. And guess what he did? Did he cry? Did he shout? Did he say, "No way"? Nope. Prince Ram just smiled softly and said,
If this is the king's wish and my mother's command, then I shall go. Obeying parents is more important than any crown.
Wow! Even in sadness, Ram chose the right path. When Prince Ram's mother, Kaushalya, heard about this, she cried. When Lakshman heard, he got angry. When Bharat and Shatrughan got to know about this, their heart broke into pieces. Bharat was very upset with his mother, Kekai. And when Sita heard, she said gently to Ram, "My lord Ram, if you are going, I am coming too. A wife's place is beside her husband, be it a palace or a forest."
But Sita, the forest is full of wild animals, snakes, no soft bed, no sweets.
Said Prince Ram, "I don't need sweets. I just need you," said Sita, smiling. And Lakshman, he grabbed his bow and said,
Wherever you go, Bhaiya, I go too. I'll protect you both.
"Oh, three hearts full of love, choosing the tough road together." The people of Ayodhya lined the streets, crying and calling Ram's name. Even the trees seemed to droop. Even the birds were quiet. Slowly, the royal chariot rolled away, taking Ram, Sita, and Lakshman into the deep, wild forest. A heartbroken King Dashrath called out,
My Ram, my son, come back soon.
And soon after, the king, overwhelmed with grief, closed his eyes forever. Far away, under the stars, Ram, Sita, and Lakshman sat near a campfire. They didn't have a palace, but they had each other. No throne, no crown, but love that shone brighter than any jewel. Together, they built a small hut in the forest, a new beginning, a new little home filled with courage and care. Life won't always go the way we want, but doing what's right is always the strongest choice. Prince Ram showed us the power of respecting parents. Sita showed us pure love and togetherness without conditions. Lakshman showed us loyalty like no other. Family isn't just about staying together in happy times. It's about sticking together in hard times too. So remember, little heroes, sometimes the forest path teaches us more
than golden palaces ever can. Coming up next, a golden deer, a trickster demon, and the moment that changed everything. Get ready, because danger is sneaking closer and the forest is about to get wild.